Hi everyone, here in this video I'm going to be repairing this gap as you see in this LVP floating flooring. Let's get started. So here you're going to protect the floor with some blue painter's masking tape. It will give the hot glue a surface to stick without damaging the finish of the floor. So for this project I'll be using a Sure Bonder cordless hot glue gun. It will stick this tap block down nice and secure. Just a few little lines here. I'll be using a piece of 5/4 pine. Use any piece of scrap wood you have hanging around, it'll work. Get it nice and stuck down. Give it a minute to harden. I want this gap to never open up again, so I'm going to use some clear Gorilla Glue. This is LVP flooring. You can do this type of repair on pretty much any type of flooring that's floating. If you're doing it on wood, you want to use a wood glue. If you're doing it on vinyl, the Gorilla Glue works perfectly. Just a little line, not too much so it comes out of the top. Just going to spread it a little bit with this piece of tape. Few quick taps, it'll tighten back up. Now you see up here in front of the glue gun there I have another gap that I'll fix later. So next up, we're just going to peel the tape back a little bit, and then we can pry this wood block off. Nice and easy. Peel the remaining glue tape up. Damage-free repair.